Hey guys, isn't that awesome being able to see who's at your door right on your phone no matter what part of the world you are in? That's right, with the new Wipro Smart Video Doorbell, that is now possible. Using just the Wipro Smart Home app on your phone, at any time you can see who's at your door whenever the bell rings. Not only that, if someone visits your door and does not ring the doorbell, the motion sensor will still capture an image of the person and send it to your phone. The video doorbell camera has a 130-degree wide-angle view of vision and also has a night mode with 6 infrared LEDs. The doorbell is completely wireless and does not require any additional wiring. It has two batteries and can be charged using the micro USB charger. Once charged, the battery lasts several months. You also have a chime that comes with the doorbell that you can attach indoor to your living room or to your bedroom, wherever you want to hear the doorbell. The chime has 38 different tones that can be selected using the button right here, and also 4 different volume levels. The chime is pretty loud and can be heard in any part of the house. Using the video doorbell, you not only get a live feed from the camera, but you can also talk to the person at the door using the microphone button, and you can also hear what the person has to say. So no matter what part of the world you are in, you can still talk to the person at the door as if you're sitting right inside your house. The doorbell also has support for a 64 GB micro SD card for recording and playback. The doorbell also comes with an attachment frame that will be mounted onto your door frame and will remain permanently in place, while the doorbell can be simply attached or detached from it whenever you need to charge it. You can also plug in a DC 5-volt connection to charge the doorbell directly instead of having to charge it via micro USB port. The Wipro Smart Video Doorbell is the only one of its kind that's available in India, when all the other ones require hard wiring and do not give you a display on your phone of who's at your door. There's no separate LCD screen needed for viewing, and you can connect as many phones as you want to it, and the doorbell will display the visitor on all the phones when it sends the notifications. The link to purchase this video doorbell is available in the description. Do let me know your experience of using this doorbell in the comments below. If you've used other models of doorbells, I'd love to know your feedback about those as well. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.